You've been charged or you're being investigated for a motoring offence. Hello, I'm Neil Davies, owner and senior partner of Caddick, Davies Solicitors. I've been a motoring lawyer for over 20 years, and at Caddick, Davies Solicitors we specialise in the defence of motoring offences. Today we're talking about, do I need a motoring lawyer? Do I need a motoring solicitor? The big question a lot of people have is, do I need a solicitor? Do I need a lawyer? Whether or not you need a lawyer really does depend upon the type of case that you have. You might be watching this, you've been charged with a motoring offence, you might have received a notice of intended prosecution through the post for an offence of speeding, and you're thinking to yourself, do I need a lawyer? Do I need that advice? There can be very straightforward cases. It might be that you have a clean driving licence and you receive a notice of intended prosecution through the post for a relatively minor speeding offence, for example, 36 miles per hour within a 30 or something similar. The truth is, in that type of case, with a little bit of advice, you can deal with it yourself. You don't need a motoring solicitor to get involved. If you're in that position, you're going to get a speed awareness course, at worst, probably a fixed penalty notice, 3 penalty points and £100. So those type of cases, you don't tend to need a solicitor involved. You can keep your own money in your pocket. It would tend to be the case that in more serious cases where the consequences are more significant, then you might want to get a lawyer. Not to say you have to get a lawyer, but you might benefit from a lawyer. Examples of that would be if you've accumulated 12 penalty points and you're looking at a 6-month disqualification, something that could be quite devastating to your life. You could lose your employment. There could be consequences moving beyond that in terms of your finances. In that type of case, you potentially do want a lawyer because you want to put your best foot forward. You want to give yourself the best opportunity to get a successful outcome to stop those horrible consequences. To summarise the answer to that question, do I need a motoring solicitor? I would say that it very much depends upon the seriousness of the thing you've been charged with, and also it depends upon the consequences of that upon you. If it's serious for you, if you're concerned about it, it might be something that you want to have a look at. Hopefully you found today's episode helpful. Please share us to your network. Please like and subscribe and press for notifications.